Good morning everyone. I hope everybody's doing well. I just woke up and I found myself in this room, to be honest. I don't know, it's a morning but it's quite dark. It's weird, isn't it? I feel like it's evening time, not morning. So what happened is I came back to this room because yesterday I spent all my evening in here, like trying to tidy up this room, but it's look even more like a mess. So this is actually my beauty room slash guest room. So we have this spare bed here as well, and if you can see, it's full with so many stuff. Let me know if you like these type of dresses. I will try to link them in the info box. These are really quite modest dresses with the high quality fabrics. So look at this design, it's really lovely. And these dresses are like crepe, so with the belt and with pocket, which always I love. So they're really one of my favorite dresses. I will link the website from where you can get them in the info box. The problem is that my the drawer here, it's kind of like having a lip, and all my scarf, let me show you, all my scarf, almost all my scarf was in here, was like falling down. Yesterday I was trying to tidy up my scarves in these IKEA organizing boxes, and I was like trying to squeeze everything, but I was hoping these would be enough, but then I still have more than double in here. Like, it's like a lot of scarf. I think too much scarf for just one head, if that makes sense. I don't know what to do, to be honest. I have even extra scarf here, and also look, I have some gifts here that I was collecting. So oh yeah, and my birthday is coming soon, so I was collecting some gifts for myself. As we're in lockdown, I was thinking let's get stuff for myself just to cheer myself up and have something to open. So during 3 months I was buying stuff and collecting them so I can open them in one day. And you can see some of my old last week TK Maxx shopping as well here. And oh yeah, look what I have here. I have I have a boot, but I haven't worn it yet. Can you believe I didn't even try it? It's like, what, how many weeks? God knows how many weeks. I just put the boot again and I haven't opened it, just to film a video, and then I close it, and I didn't even try it. Have I tried it? I think I might try it. You remember, if you watch my last what I got for Black Friday, you will realize what I have inside here. I'm not going to say it because you can go and have a look. I will link the video in the eye. So look at the mess in this room. Like, I feel really, I stayed here the whole evening yesterday, and I don't know, I feel like I was tidying, but not, it's look more mess. I was hoping to come to this room and it will be a little bit more cleaner, but look, more mess. Yeah, anyway, I was actually thinking to remove my makeup vanity, or whatever we call it, and I want to take it to my bedroom with the Alex drawer with the makeup. And I was thinking to bring here the chest of drawer, maybe 1 or 2 or something like that. I don't know, I was thinking to do this. Let me show you what I have in the other room, because I was moving the furniture a little bit yesterday as well. Let me show you. So this is in one corner of the bedroom. I was like, I don't know, I was like cleaning the walls and tidying the room, and then I moved the furniture around. So I was thinking to keep this one, to keep it here, and then bring my makeup one here with the Alex drawer in this side, and took these ones to the other room. I don't know, this is what I was thinking to do, but we will see if it will be fine for the measurements. And if I did it, I might update you. Yeah, I might update you before, maybe before I post this video. If I manage to do it, I will show you a photo how it looked like. So that's what I was doing yesterday, silly me. And yeah, so yes, I did actually change the furniture around the house. So in the second room, or the beauty room, I did put actually the I changed the furniture, so I put this in here, so the room look like that. Set it in this room, so the ring light should not be there, but yeah, that's what it is in there for now. And also I do have some stuff here for my sister, so this is a mess here, but will not be here soon. And so in my room I did put this tiny Alex drawer there. Above it I put on it my makeup, so I move my makeup from the other Alex drawer and I bring it to this one. And also perfumes. Sorry, I'm putting the humidifier over there, but it should not be here. And then I push this all the way to the wall, but anyway, just there because it's quite cold. And this is my makeup dressing, and it is facing the window, which is quite nice. So there's a chair there, and then under it I put there some of extra stuff I have in boxes, so I think it's fine to have it there. And then in here you can see, let's zoom in, it's my hair stuff like hair dryer and curler and all of this thing. And then in this side I did put the chest of drawer in here, and yeah, in the top of it I put some of, so in the top of it I just put some, you know, stuff like face mask. Oh, I need to add more of pom grass, this white one. Yay. So we received it yesterday, this gift, and it's kind of like a cake. So this is, for me, I will describe a sponge cake. And because me and Hamid, we was like, we should not eat too much sugar, we should lose some weight. And my birthday is coming soon. I was thinking we can keep this one as the expiry. It's within 3 months. It means we'll be fine to use it for my birthday, which is in a couple of, like 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks I believe. So I was thinking maybe to cut it and have some cream inside or chocolate, and then I do have some, what do we call it, the cherries. I might use some cherries on it, and it will be like easy made cake that we got it as a gift. I don't know, I think it's fine things to do like that. I like to do handmade stuff. Even the cake is already made, just to decorate it. And also I'm fancying some macarons, and also I want some flowers as every year. Well, as every year I love flowers, to receive flowers and cards on my birthday. But I'm not going to lie, last year my mom and my dad, they was with me, so I'm not showing you my face because I'm not wearing a scarf. So last year my parents, they was with me for my birthday, which was really special. But this year I missed my parents. They was with me last year like this time. Oh my goodness, it's raining too much. Look at the rain, it's too much rain. I think because it's raining too much today, we're not going out. I think we'll stay mainly inside the house. So maybe I'm going to show you how I'm going to cook today. I think I might make steak. So I'll show you how I'm going to make steak. And also I will show you what we're going to do inside the house. So yeah, so let me show you how my day is going to be like. By the way, I did check, this cake doesn't have any alcohol on it, so just for those who are a little bit curious. So yeah, okay, so I might start working a little bit on my work, and then I will show you what I'm going to cook later on. So I just remember I wanted to share with you guys what I'm going to make today for dinner for Hamid and for me as well. So I'm going actually to make the, should not do that, but I was listening to some of the Quran. So this is Surah Al-Kahf, and it's from Sheikh Mishari Rashid. I really like his voice, he's really good. And yeah, so yeah, I have to switch it off because I'm going to talk now. I'm going to make steak. So I got this steak from from, I think Hamidi got it from Tesco, so it's quite good size stick for Hamid. So how I'm going to make it, I'm just going to put some black pepper and olive oil on it. So black pepper, olive oil on it, and I will leave it for a little bit, and then I will grill it in the pan. And then after that, when it cooks, then I will add it a little bit of butter that I'm going to season with some garlic, and also this, I like this type of herby thing. And when it's already finished cooking everything, I will cover it with some butter and then leave it in the, well, I will turn off the heat, and I will just cover it with the steam. It will melt it more and will have this type of sauce on it. So, and obviously there will be some salt. So I have here the salt. Oh, I have to turn off the light though. Here we go, that's even better. So I have a salt. So so yeah, so and then I'm going to boil some of these green beans and also some broccoli, and I'm going to make mashed potato. So for that I will need some milk and then butter and also cheese for the potato mash. And for me, I made for myself a salad, just a mixed salad. So that's what I'm having for tonight. I'm not too hungry, so حبيبة فلا نقيم لهم يوم القيامة وزنا بما كفروا واتخذوا آياتي ورسلي هزوا إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات. So this is Hamid's dinner. So I make mashed potato with some cheese, and then here we have some beans and broccoli, and then the steak with some butter in the top. And yeah, and also for me I will have a salad, and of course I will have mashed potato, and there is some leftover broccoli as well for me, but I'm not too hungry. I just forget to mention that I don't eat meat. I don't know for those who doesn't know, I am pescatarian. This is why I didn't cook for myself meat. But who says pescatarians cannot cook a steak, isn't it? What do you think, Hamid?
Yeah, it looks delicious. Oh my god.
Yeah, who says pescatarian cannot cook meat properly? Okay, so speak later. I might call it tonight, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also to comment and to like this video if you like steak, and if you don't like steak as well. And yeah, so always remember, be yourself, love yourself, and stay safe. Bye.